Good evening, everybody. Tonight I have Hy-Vee Jumbo Cinnamon Rolls with icing. This is a net weight 17.5 ounce. I apologize. 5 rolls, keep refrigerated. So it says cook for 20 to 24 minutes at 350. So let's grease our pan, because you have to have your pan greased for this. I'm not gonna go crazy with it, but I'm gonna get enough that it gets the whole pan nice. That way we have no real mess to clean up afterward. It really does help with that aspect of it. So, alright, well there's our pan. It's all greasy. Un momento while I get a napkin for my hands, yeah. We're hoping someday that I can get the GoPro figured out, especially with this new phone we just got. We got the Rebel 4. We did not get the one with the Snapdragon master chip, or whatever y'all want to call it. So, let me have a bite of my ice cream right quick here, y'all. So, okay, so step 1 is done. Pour oil away. Alright, now it's time to open up the package. Usually located near the top of the can. So you just grab it right where it's got a little perforation in the paper if you have it. You just peel it right until it pops. You know what you do is you want to gently unroll it, figure out which end that your frosting is at. It's at this end in this particular package. So what I'm going to do is roll out the front pieces first, because that's usually the easiest. Alright, so there it is. There's one. Put that on the edge of the pan like so. And then we just move on to the next one. You guys want to put the side with the most of the cinnamon exposed. Put that face up. I'm going to set these on your pan. Don't worry about how they look. You can always go back after you're done laying all your cinnamon rolls down and straighten them out to make them look nice. So here's 2 more in one grab. We'll set that one right there. I usually, guys and gals, will put like 1 thumb length of space between them. Even on the ones where it says to put them edge to edge to edge, I found that when you heat them in close proximity to each other, they still do the same thing as what the container tells you. Alright, so there they are, everybody. They give you an extreme close-up on there. They look pretty delicious and they smell pretty darn good as well. So, what I'm going to do now, everybody, is I'm going to fire up the oven. We're going to pause on our end here. It'll probably just be a quick second for all y'all. So, let me get our oven rolling on and we'll get this video underway. I couldn't tell which one was the pause button. So our cinnamon rolls have got about 24 minutes to go now. In the bottom of the container with the cinnamon rolls was this little pouch, and right here is what contains the frosting or the glaze, whatever have you, that goes onto these once they are completed. And it's more than enough. It's a sufficient amount. I recommend to soften up for probably about 5 minutes with just one hand. Don't switch hands. The reason for that is this will be cold when you first pick it up, and after you manipulate it and just do whatever for 5 minutes, it's going to soften up. But at the same time, the temperature's going to stay consistent in the thaw down, as opposed to if you switch hands, because your other hand more likely will be warmer. So there you have it. That's just a little secret when you're making your cinnamon rolls at home by yourself. So I would say that's a sufficient amount. We're just gonna let it sit on the counter in front of the oven, where it'll stay about like what it is right now. So you hear that? There it is. It's down there. So stay with us. We'll be right back. Okay, get the pause button. Alright, everybody. They're done cooking. Here they are, fresh out the oven. They cooked for a total of 20 minutes and 41 seconds. We ended up with 5 very nice sized cinnamon rolls here. And our good stuff here is ready to go up on it. And I'm going to tilt the camera down so y'all can see the process, alright? Un momento, por favor, sí. Alright, I might be cut a little bit out of the picture, but y'all will be able to see what's going on and get the gist of it. Alright, so for this application, you're going to need a good pair of kitchen shears. And they got a little divot. You just got to look for it. It's on the edge of the seal there, see it? Right there, ahead of my finger. This one right here. See that? So we're going to go ahead and cut that off. Yeah. Bam. Alright, now we're going to start laying down our frosting. What you want to do is you want to pour it in the groove everywhere the roll meets itself on the way toward the center. You can start in the middle, you can start at the center, whatever, same thing. You can start on the outside, it's up to you. Just know, this stuff's going to overflow the top of your rolls by the time it's all over and done with. No big deal. You can scoop it up with a little spatula and put it back on them if you want. Or not. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. So here we go. You don't want to go super thick. You want to move fairly consistently. Alright, quit squeezing. And here we go again. The goal here is to see if one go around is enough. And if it ain't, hopefully we have enough left for another go around, y'all. I'm way off track on this one. Alright, let's try here again. Our little pouch is already starting to get low. It's going to be lucky if we get enough for the last one. Oh yeah. There's a lot in there. It just had to be shifted. I should have cut my opening just a little bit smaller, y'all. I sure not want to come out of there. There we go. So now we know we're at the end. We have enough on all of them. So let's splurge a little, shall we? And we'll put a little extra on each one of them. The more the merrier, y'all. When it comes to good eats, you can't go wrong. The more the merrier, the more the merrier. All day long. Because it's a rum thing every day. And that's what we do here, y'all. I bring you the good little late night munchies. Little late night dinners you could have with your significant other or your friends or your homies. All that good stuff, you know. Nothing like a good meal to bring good friends and family together. Where we can put all our differences aside and sort of be one. Like God intended. Alright, everybody. We're going to come in for an extreme close-up. Then we're going to go ahead and give one a try. And we'll rate it here up on the channel. We're going to do this professional like this time, guys and gals. I want to offer you the real deal. And this is what we're doing. So we're going to go ahead and set this down. And I got my paper plate right over here on the side. I got myself a little paper towel there so I can wipe off my pie hole and my digits if need so. So alright, so here we go, y'all. I brought my beverage out here. I think I'm gonna go for this big one right over here on the very end. Alright, he's a good size one. Look at that. So I'm gonna start from the outside in, just like Poltergeist 3. See how that works out for me, hopefully good. Yeah, me. However, that frosting is a little bit too much, huh? So it's pretty good stuff, guys and gals. If I wasn't worrying about as much as I was eating. But either way, these were on sale for a whopping price of $1.59 at the local Hy-Vee. So I picked a couple out, because me and Rachel like this sort of thing. And I don't recall if we've ever done a review on them yet here at the channel. If we have, hopefully this particular review is better than the last one. I'm a lot more comfortable in front of the camera now, in case y'all couldn't tell. Let's go back and look at my old videos. A whole percent was pipsqueak compared to now. So one more by here, y'all. You fine, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll let you know whether or not this is something you might want to invest in. Alright. The tooth and nail verdict is in. Scoring high marks on both flavor, taste, and delivery. You can give this one here a little Hy-Vee Grand Cinnamon Rolls with frosting. Today only. For the whopping price of $9.75 on a 1 to 10 scale. So definitely recommend to go and try it. Let us know in the comments down below what you thought. Maybe you've tried it, maybe you haven't, but either way. That's some delicious heat there, my homies, my friends, my fam, all y'all. Anyone who drops by my channel and visits. Peace, love, and good happiness stuff out to all y'all. And thank you for coming here and being a part of what we do here. And until next time, everybody, we got more good videos coming up, hopefully real soon. Alright, stay safe, stay warm, and give your family a hug during holidays. Peace. Ay, ay, ay.